All right, we're going to stay with Mumbai. Registrations of properties in India's key market, Mumbai, have fallen to a 2-year low. Buyers are not buying easily. Classic signs of a weak property market. But developers like Godrej Properties continue to see the brighter side of the business. Devina Gupta caught up with Piroj Shah Godrej, MD and CEO of Godrej Properties, who reasoned why they will still hike prices of their projects in that city.
The demand scenario in most parts of the country, not just Mumbai, has been quite weak over the last few months. I think the factors for that are quite well known. I think general macroeconomic sentiment hasn't been very good, and real estate is a very sentiment-driven industry. Despite the recent cut in interest rates, which I think is a very helpful signal and move by the RBI, interest rates do remain high because we did have 13 consecutive hikes. So I think, and of course, global macroeconomic news has also not been very supportive. So I think there are a lot of headwinds currently facing the sector, but our expectation is that 2012 will continue to get better rather than worse. And actually, for our projects, we've seen fairly good demand. So I think there is demand for good quality projects in the right locations.
So there is a bit of dichotomy here. On one side, you're launching new projects. On the other side, overall sales in the sector is dipping, but you are increasing prices in different projects in Mumbai. What's the reason behind it?
I think, it's a project by project question, a market by market question. There are factors that drive prices on a national level. So I think margins are under pressure. Supply continues to be constrained. So my sense is any major price reduction is unlikely. We've consistently, said that we think that is unlikely.
Well, let's move on to the policy side now. So whenever there's a change that happens, it's not always smooth. With the new DC rules that have come, it could be the perfect example of seeing bumps on the road before it smoothens out. What have been the challenges for you in adapting DC rules?
I actually think the new development control rules that have been introduced in Mumbai, while they've created some short-term uncertainty and delays, are broadly a move in a very positive direction. I think in Mumbai what was happening was that it was becoming too case by case and based on an individual developer's relationship with the regulatory bodies, and I think that is being taken out of the system. I think we've had a couple of bumps where, on some of our projects that were under planning, we've had to incorporate some of the new rules. So it's delayed projects by a few months, but no major balance sheet or other impacts.
Well, the industry is still facing a crisis in terms of consumers being able to trust the developers. Do you think real estate regulator is an answer to that, and what could be a comprehensive bill for real estate regulator?
I think it probably does need some sort of a regulator, but like anything else, the devil's in the details, because while regulation to the extent of protecting customers' interests and making sure that developers aren't getting away with fraudulent behavior is very critical, and I think something the sector badly needs. If we have regulation that just adds further levels of bureaucracy or further slows down developers' ability to deliver projects to customers, too many times I think we suffer from regulation that creates as many problems as it solves.
All right, that's Piroj Shah Godrej talking about the fact that if you have good projects, then you can actually command good pricing, but saying that Mumbai property market is facing headwinds and is going to continue to be a little tepid. More importantly, making the point of a regulator, which is so required, and I think young professionals, the whole sector in the industry is looking up to young professionals like him to make that big change. You can get in touch with us if you've got a property question. We'll keep bringing you the big voices, big views on every property market.